Artoonza.
Hey there, prickly little artists. Did you know cacti can actually fall in love? That's right. Today we're drawing the spikiest, most romantic cactus in a cute little pot, topped with the biggest heart you've ever seen. It's basically the plant world's answer to a hopeless romantic. We're going full glitter mode, getting messy with acrylics, and even using a tiny vacuum to clean up all that extra glitter because, yes, things will get beautifully messy. Give us your like. Grab your brushes. This prickly little sweetheart is ready to steal yours. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time to get red hot. We're squeezing juicy red acrylic drops from the dropper onto the pot and heart, then brushing them into fiery love perfection. The romance is real, and it's absolutely painted on. Give us a big thumbs up. Now the pot gets a fab black glitter polish coat. So glam. Look at our cactus just patiently waiting for its ultimate glow-up. It's finally time to drop light green and yellow acrylic straight from the dropper because this guy did not survive the desert to look dull. We're brushing every gorgeous drop in with the passion of a cactus deeply, madly in love. Layer by layer, this spiky legend is transforming into the most vibrant, stunning, fabulous plant in the whole garden.
Aww, so cute.
This cactus has zero chill and all the feels. Smash that like button now. And finally, brown glossy polish wraps the pot in pure warm shine. Our sweet prickly romantic is done. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.